Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, now we have entered into the month December and this is the third week of the December, and today it is time to visit our organic field and see what all activities are going. So let us start visiting our organic field and see what all is going on. So now let us start from this area. Here are our custard apple. We didn't get any fruit set on this custard apple this year also. Next to custard apple we have all the turmerics, and turmeric was going very well, but now you can see that turmeric is getting yellowing and dying back. Now this is the stage where all the energy of the turmeric is getting into the tubers. So we need to wait until all the turmeric plant get dry, and then we'll harvest the turmeric. If we can harvest at this stage also, but if we wait for drying of the plant, then our turmeric will be solid and we can store it for whole year. So we are going to wait for another 10-15 days before we remove the turmeric from the field. Now moving on this side, here is our field with the grapevine where we have planted elephant foot yam and the taro. We have harvested both of them couple of days back, and now we are preparing it for the mixed cropping of the potato, then cabbage, cauliflower and some fenugreek and coriander. So first we have started with the cultivating this field. After harvesting we have cultivated this field with this mini tiller, and now we are taking all the weed out of the soil. So it will not compete with the new plants, as well as our weeding work when the plant is new crop is ready, our weeding work will be reduced. So right now the cleaning work is going on. Now moving again on this side, these are our ginger, and you can see the ginger is now growing very well. Initially it was set back because of the lot of weed, but after cleaning it is taking up. Now in a 10-15 days before the summer months, we need to pile up the ginger so that the new tuber whatever develop will get the good size and good coverage. So after a few days we are going to soil it up for the summer. Further moving on the area, here is our hydroponic polyhouse and this aquaponic setup. I am giving regular update on that with the separate video. So we'll just moving forward into the further area. I will give you that update of the further area. So let us get into the next area. So friends, now this is our garden which we have cleaned recently, and we are going to maintain this soon. Moving further, next is our mixed fruit orchard where all the different type of fruit trees are there. You can see that lot of vegetation is there after the monsoon, and we haven't cleaned this. What we have done, we have just stopped the watering for the winter month, so it will be go into rest. We'll clean it after the mid of the January and take the new season crop. So here you can see the lot of vegetation is there which is required to clean in a few days. Moving further, the next is our new compost pile, and you can see that lot of organic matter we have filled into the pile. It is now almost touching 2.5 to 3 feet. We are further going to load it another 2 feet, so almost 5 feet, and then let it, all the composting bacteria will relieve, and let it be wait for the 4-6 months for the composting. Here the compost pile, you can see it is almost done. It is now almost 1.5 to 2 feet. So this need to be clean and the compost need to be collected. Same is the case with this compost pile. This compost pile is also ready, so no need further composting over here. So soon we are going to clean this and take all the compost and spread it into the field. Further I will show you that our turmeric, which is all the way, it is now all the leaves are drying up, and it is time to take out the turmeric from these beds. Similarly, this side also you can see the turmeric plant is dying, so it is time that we will take out all the turmeric from this area. Now we will go towards our pond area and moving further. So in the pond area, while going there, you can see that lot of construction material is there. This is because we are doing some repairing work over our house. So lot of construction material is spreading all over. But if you can see that grass, this is a Napier grass and this is almost touching 12 foot. So this is good height of the Napier grass. We are going to cut it for the fodder for our cattle. Here you can see some of the pipes which is for our new hydroponic greenhouse unit. Soon it is going to be in function. So these are all the stands and pipes and all that belong to that greenhouse. Now in the last area we have couple of net house ready where we are growing organic vegetables. But this year we have put turmeric into all those greenhouse. So the turmeric is almost at the end of the season. So we will remove the turmeric and start the new season of the vegetable from the summer. Now here is a compost pile again, and this compost pile was too big, but you can see that now the composting has started. We have added some compost material over top also to expedite the process, and this is going to be harvested into the middle of the summer. Now moving further, next is our custard apple garden, where we have around 19 varieties of different custard apples, and you can see that lot of vegetation and a lot of dense growth is over there. We cannot do any work as of now because there is no space to move inside. After the summer month started, the leaf will be dried up, and then we will be going to clean this up and prune it up to bring it down the plants. So this is the custard apple garden, and now we are moving towards the last area, and this is the citrus garden. Here mainly all the lemon plants are there. So we have stopped the water over here to take the new season, and you can see some couple of the ripe lemon is hanging over there, and we have stopped the water to initiate the new flower, and we have already got the results in terms of flowering. You can see that new buds is setting. So many area new buds is setting. Few more will be set, and then we'll start the water once the fruit is set. Here the turmeric is also done. Few of the turmeric is left green, which we need to let it be fully ripen, and then after we'll remove it. So this is all about our organic field, where we are growing different vegetables and different fruit, making different plot for it. So friends, how do you like my organic field? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you are also interested in eating organic fresh, then plan your work, divide your area and grow your organic food with a different variety and enjoy it fresh. Happy growing!